everyone. Today we are going to show you our rig, mostly the inside of it. Everybody's been excited about looking at the rig, so we're going to show you today. Here we go. Here we are in the living room and the kitchen. I'm going to show you the living room first. Our couch, and you can see we got some very big, we love these windows. This is an Alliance 390 MP and we love it. Got storage up there that we mostly use for our paper products. Nice big storage for paper towels, toilet paper, all our extra stuff. And we have some storage up there that we use for overflow for the kitchen, food items, spices, that sort of thing. There's our entertainment center. Now all these, or most of these items, most of these knickknacks we actually have nano taped down so they do not move on travel day. There's our stove and some more storage, of course, for the kitchen where we put our food items and our paper plates, regular plates, all the other kitchen type items you would need.
And it is plumbed for a dishwasher. We just opted out on that.
Yeah, so we'd rather have these extra storage than to have a dishwasher in here. So hands work just as well with dishwashing.
Brings you closer together.
Yeah, nice size little sink there that we use there. There is the pantry. We actually use it for our cleaning supplies inside, but it is actually a pantry for food items, but we opted to use it for household cleaning. We find storage elsewhere for all the food items. For instance, right there, there's some nice storage up there as well. There's our nice size residential refrigerator.
It's empty. We gotta buy groceries.
Yeah, but thought I'd show you the size of that. It's a regular residential refrigerator, so it's a nice size refrigerator. We love it. And let me scroll over here, show you my computer setup. I have my work computer and my personal computer, and I just switch between them so the monitor uses both whenever I need, to switch between them. I just use the switch, and I can use the monitor for both.
Dining room table, though.
Yeah, we used to have a dining room table there, and so we just rather put another table there for use as my desk. So. All right. This is all the various buttons for the slide outs, awnings.
Hot water tank on?
Nope, actually, we need to turn that on, don't we?
Turn the camera on.
As you can tell, we just got here. We're a little tired actually, because we just this is our travel day, and we got everything set up, and now we're starting to film. So there you go. That's our panel to set the slide outs, and as you've seen, water heater as well. Here, this room is our bonus room that we're using for Tammy's craft room and her computer, and this is where she does her videos for her YouTube channel, the online tatting class. I'll put a link to that below. She does tatting, lace work, the form of lace work. I will link that below, but if you are interested in knowing more about tatting, please check her YouTube channel out. She has live classes.
And they are free.
And they are free. Her classes will start up again in September. But you can see she has a nice size window as well for when she's doing her working and crafting. Alright, and here's the hallway. We put a ladder right there because sometimes we have to get up here, and this is a bunk room that we decided, well, not a room, it's a bunk bed that we decided to use, of course, for storage. We don't have
a bunk room, but only midget people.
Yeah, very small kids.
And the ladder is.
It actually has a spot for a TV. If you wanted to hook up a TV. So yeah, if you have a small kid, it's great for a small kid, but of course we're using it for storage. It's where all our travel day empty containers go, laundry, that type of thing. So alright, yeah, we call it the attic. Alright, here is the bathroom. We got a residential size shower, nice size shower, we like that. A medicine cabinet and some storage for linen. We put up some extra stuff to hold the towels, some extra shelving. So yeah, we made some other modifications. We also put those little containers on there for soap, shampoo. All right, now we go into the bedroom. That's her fan. She's got to have a fan in the bedroom for noise. It keeps her nice asleep at night and also keeps her cool. There's her dresser. She's got her angel on there, which is also nanotape, not moving anywhere. Now we have a TV up here as well. We rarely use, but it's there if we're sick or something in bed. And that's like a little, there's storage underneath here as well. I won't show you that, but we do have storage underneath there, but it's a little bench. Now I'll show you the, oh, she don't want me to open the closet. Okay. Alright, now there's the closet and you see me. Hello. Here's the bed. Now, anybody knows who gets an RV, you always get a cheap little RV bed. Not very comfortable to sleep on. One of the first things you really should do when you buy an RV is replace the bed, because the bed comes with RV, is very cheap and very uncomfortable. So we got a Brooklyn bedding bed. Signature Hybrid, I believe it was called, and it is very comfortable. Many other YouTubers recommended it, and that's what we got. And it really sleeps very nice. It's heavy. It's very heavy bed, and we have storage underneath that we have to sometimes get up underneath, and we'll have to fix the struts so that the bed stays up when we lift. Otherwise we use a pole to keep it up for get underneath the storage, but we rarely have to get up underneath storage on the bed. So that's the only drawback, but the comfort definitely outweighs the inconvenience of having to get up underneath the bed for storage. So all right, let me give you one little pass through here. In case you missed anything, there's a craft room, and she has some storage up there. And she's not completely unpacked, by the way. Her craft room. Usually when she's when she's starting to do classes, she'll pack more. She just gets ready for doing her website and stuff. So all she needs really is a computer. pass through. There is Tammy and Mia.
Miss Mia. You're on TV.
We're in Florida. Very hot today.
102 degrees. We're melting.
All right. Well, that's the end of this video. Thank you for joining, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and like button, and we'll see you again next time. Thank you.